cross-country service behind me, 220026, and that's on the service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. That's the 0842, departing there, 158951, and that's on the service to Taunton from Cardiff Central. So hello guys, welcome to the latest video from B-Cycle Videos, and today I am at Patchway, which is on the South Wales main line. So it's like today here at Patchway you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, like the 158 there, which is the Pilning stopping service, and cross country, which are on diverts today, as Bristol Parkway is apparently closed. So without further doubt, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Patchway. Right, coming in now is the 0902 service to London Paddington from Swansea, forms of a HST, because it's a long distance service to Wales and Paddington. On the front, 43182. And the rear, let's see if I can, I think it looks like 153, it looks like from here, but I'll double check that as it pulls out. Departing out now is the 0902 to London Paddington from Swansea, and it is 43153 on the rear. As Parkway's close, it's going through Keynsham and Bath Spa, passing with the next stop of Swindon, before heading off to Reading and London Paddington. Right, coming in now is the 0910 service to Swansea from London Paddington. On the front, 43012, extra panel signal box nameplate. And the rear power car is it's National Trust nameplate. And I'm not too sure the number, I'll get it as it pulls. Right, departing out now is the 0910 to Swansea from London Paddington. And just past on the other platform is a 158 to Portsmouth Harbour from Cardiff Central, slightly delayed by about 5 minutes or so. And it's 43169 on the rear. Okay, let's see what's next, shall we, here at Bristol Patchway. Right, coming in past now, 158955. And that's on the service to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour, which is delayed by about 9 minutes. the HST was meant to come after it, but that was delayed, and so the HST came through here first. Right, coming in now, we've got a cross-country super Voyager, I think it is, a 221, which is on a Derby to Plymouth service. Pretty sure it's a 221, I think, because I think it's 5 carriages. And it's 221 135. That's coming in from Derby heading to Plymouth, the 0926 service. Right, about to depart now, 221 135, heading off to Plymouth from Derby, the 0926 departure from Patchway, here at Patchway.
Derby to calling now Bristol Taunton, Severn Parkway, Exeter St David's, so Bristol Taunton next stop in probably about 8 minutes. Whereas Patchway continues to disguise itself as Bristol Parkway.
Bristol Patchway.
Right, coming through now, we've got a pair of 66s on the freight convoy. I'll continue it when it's a bit closer. Coming in now is the 0935 to Cardiff Central from Western Supermare. 150 122. Squeaking in there here at Patchway. We'll see it depart out in a moment. Right, now coming through again is the double pairing of Class 66s. 66 152. Yeah, 66 152 on the front. What's on the rear, we'll see in a minute. Departing also 150 122 to Cardiff Central from Western Supermare. Next stop for that would be Severn Tunnel Junction, which is our next station, followed by Newport, which is the station after that, and finally Cardiff Central, which is the final station we'll be doing today. And now let's
calls it our station still, yeah?
Yes, but it goes out to Severn Tunnel Junction. Right, great two-tone off camera. 66 152 and another great two-tone. The rear unit should be 024 and it is 66024.
Filthiest 66 I've ever seen.
Absolutely filthy, as KTV says.
Great four-tone driver, thank you. Nice four-tone, two-tone, two separate two-tones.
Nice two-tones, pair of two-tones.
anyway, that's 66152 and 66024. Somewhere.
I think it's back to Bristol Depot. I think
Yes, it is. It's Bristol Barton Hill. Bristol Barton Hill.
I think via like the filter.
John, that's going to Bristol Barton Hill, isn't it?
Yeah,
Bristol Barton Hill, yeah.
Right, coming in now is the 0939 service to Taunton from Cardiff Central, and it's a 166. First time on this route for a 166 apparently. And it's 166-210. Coming in now is the cross-country service as well. Looking there into the sun. With a great 3-tone. And that's heading off to Glasgow Central from Plymouth. Departing out 166-210 to Taunton. Great seeing a turbo again, a 166. I don't really see them too often myself. And departing out here is a service to Derby, or is it Glasgow Central from Plymouth, and it's 221127 off to Glasgow Central from Plymouth. So 221127 off to Glasgow Central, next stop Newport, and 166-210 off to Taunton, next stop Fulton Abbey Wood. Right, coming in now, we've got the 1002 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea, which is a HST. Here's the old blue set, so no fancy green sets. On the front, 43040, Bristol St Philip's Marsh nameplate. The rear I shall get as it departs, but 43040 on the front. Which we shall see depart out in a moment. Passing through there, 158956 or to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. And departing out is the HST, 43040 on the front. And on the rear this is Reading Panel signal box 43142. That's heading off to Swansea from London Paddington. No to London Paddington from Swansea, I should say. Right, let's see what's next, shall we, here at Patchway. Right, coming in now from the direction of the sun is a HST. This one is to Swansea from London Paddington. On the front, 43126. and I'll get the rear number as it pulls out. Right, departing now is a 10 to Swansea from London Paddington. 43126 is on the front. On the rear, 43160. That's heading off to Swansea from London Paddington. Right, coming in now is the final train of this video, and it's a cross-country HST, which is from Leeds to Plymouth. 43301 on the front. And the rear I shall get as it departs. The clip of this train leaving will be the final clip of this video. So before then, I'm going to say thank you guys for watching my video from Patchway. If you have liked what you've seen here, then please do like and subscribe. And please leave any comments below, as I'll get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations welcome. If anything you have liked or maybe not so not so much, then please do let me below. And if you'd like to see any new features in my videos or any new types of video, then please let me know below as well. My next station after this will be Severn Tunnel Junction, so I'll see you all there. My opinion, Patchway has been a great station to film at, especially with all the cross-country diversions as well. I'll come back here again when there's more diversions from cross-country here as well. As I say, I think I said my next station will be Severn Tunnel Junction, so I'll see you all there. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. My next clip will be of this service leaving, so until then, cheerio. Departing out here, 43301 on the front, heading to Plymouth from Leeds, the 10:10 departure. And the rear power car, 43321. Everyone who's joined me here today, I'll put them in the comments in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in Severn Tunnel Junction. In the meantime, cheerio.